Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm going to share how to make dashi. What's dashi, you may ask? It's Japanese soup stock. Japanese soup stock dashi is typically made from fish, such as dried bonito flakes or anchovies. However, it can be made vegan or vegetarian friendly by using kombu and dry shiitake mushrooms. We use dashi in many Japanese recipes, and I often get questions from you how to make it. So in this video, I'll show you how to make 5 most standard types of dashi. Kombu dashi, which is made with kelp and it's vegan. Katsuo dashi, made with shaved dried bonito flakes called Katsuobushi. AWASE dashi, which is the combination of kombu and katsuobushi. Iriko dashi, made with anchovies. And lastly, Shiitake dashi, made with dry shiitake mushrooms, and this is another vegan dashi. In this video, I'll show you how to make dashi from scratch. Compared to vegetable stock or chicken stock, it's much easier to make and less time consuming. Each dashi has different flavor profile, and I explain a bit more about it on my website, so please do check it out. For those of you who prefer to save time, I also show you how to use dashi powder and dashi packet. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are all watching till the end of this video, here's the Japanese word of the day. Something wa arimasu ka? It means, is there something? Do you have something? For example, コーヒーはありますか? Is there coffee? Do you have coffee? 寿司はありますか? Do you have sushi? カレーライスはありますか? Do you have curry rice? Something はありますか? Have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and see you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!